Continuing on with multiplying polynomials, it is possible when we multiply a polynomial by a monomial that the polynomial could have fractions. And the only reason I bring this up is to remind you that any whole number factor will multiply a fraction only in the numerator. The denominator is not affected. Okay, so for example, we have to multiply 5x times x squared over 15 plus 2x minus 3/10. Okay, we do see two fractions in this trinomial, and so we must be careful when applying the 5x monomial factor only to the numerator of those fractions. So that will give us 5x times x squared over 15 plus 5x times 2x minus 5x times 3 over 10. And then the last step will be to reduce the fractions. We do see that there's a common factor of 5 here. So that common factor of 5 can be removed and will give us x cubed over 3. Here we have 5 times 2 is 10, and 2 factors of x, so 10x squared. And here we do see a common factor of 5. 10, of course, is 5 times 2. So removing that common factor gives us 3x over 2. Let's do one more example of that. Okay, now we have to multiply 2x times x squared over 4 plus x over 6 minus 1 over x. Again, the monomial factor goes only to the numerator of these fractions, not to the denominator. So that will give us 2x times x squared over 4 plus 2x times x over 6 minus 2x over x. And then once again, we will want to simplify the fractions by removing a common factor. Here we see there's a common factor of 2. So that will go away and leave us with x to the third power over 2. Here there's a common factor of 2, so that will leave us with x squared over 3. And here x is a common factor, so that actually leaves us with the whole number 2.